Polyurethane concrete lifting, also known as polylift or polyjacking, uses high-density, geotechnical expanding foam to raise and stabilize concrete slabs. The material and equipment is similar to what is used in spray foam insulation. However, the foam used for lifting concrete is much stronger. The first step in a polyurethane injection repair project is to drill penny-sized holes. The high-density polyurethane foam is then sprayed through the holes and will begin to fill any voids below the concrete. The foam can expand up to 7 feet at each injection hole. It raises the concrete while stabilizing it and filling any gaps between the concrete and soil. Polyurethane concrete raising works best for large, heavy, or sensitive concrete slabs. It's also perfect for concrete that needs to return to service quickly, such as roadways, thanks to its quick curing time. The benefit of using polyurethane over mud or sand or cement is that it will not break down over time, which makes this a long-lasting solution.